Here's Airbnb arbitrage explained in 30 seconds or less. Hi, landlord. I would love to rent your property from you. Okay, Mike, the rent is going to be $2,000 per month. Perfect. It's exactly what I'm looking for, sir. I own a corporate housing company and we have professional guests and traveling nurses that come in. They stay for a few days and then they leave. Okay, I'm listening. Elaborate a little bit more of how this works, please. Yes, absolutely. So we have no smokers, no pets, no young kids running around. We're talking about professional guests. So you're not going to have any holes in the wall. You're not going to have the back bedrooms painted green and pink for the kids. We're going to make sure the place is cleaned 3 to 4 times a week. It's going to be spick and span. And even if you went to resell it, Mr. Homeowner, you'd have a much better chance of selling it because of the condition it's going to be in. Here's the deal. I'll even do a 3-year lease and I'll make sure that we pay every single month on time. I have my checkbook with me right here if we can make a deal. Okay, so essentially anything above the rent payment that you're going to pay me, you actually get to keep. Is that correct? Yes, that's exactly right. If you thought this video was valuable, wait till you see what I'm doing this Friday. We're calling it the Airbnb Super Bowl. It's the free training that everybody's been trying to get into all year, and it's finally here this Friday. So click the link below. If it allows you to get in, congratulations, you made it. If not, keep checking back with me. It's going to be the training of the year to start, scale, and automate an Airbnb business. I'll see you on the call. Let's roll.